Welcome. I'm going to demonstrate the text display plot. This is under the summary plots, so it's here named text display. And like most of the other summary plots, you have to pick a parameter or a channel statistic. And the channel statistics are underneath the channel name, and you have the basic voltage statistics shown here. And also, you could pick a parameter. In this case, I have a tack. What I'm going to do is create a plot of all channels peak to peak. So I picked all channels peak to peak, and then I'm going to show all of the channels. I have 16 channels, so I put 16 traces per plot and create the text display. And so I get something that looks like this. And this is showing the current peak to peak value for all channels shown or labeled appropriately, and then the units over to the right. So the simulator is set up to generate noise and has some voltage or some amplitude to it, so you can see what these values would kind of look like with real data. There's not much else to this plot. You basically just view the current value of whatever you've selected, whatever parameter or statistic. The other thing you can do with this, you can put all in one. There could be cases where you just have a lot of channels, and the text plot does try to reorganize the channels a little bit to show the different columns. I don't have enough here to actually do it, but it will put if it gets crunched down enough and it has ability, it'll make another column. But the other way you can do it, let me just delete everything and start over. Let's say we have 16 channels, so let's do 4 traces per plot, the same selection, and then do the text display. And if we change the grid size, so we can kind of get it to put some of the, even out the channels so that they're not all packed into one plot. It can make it a little bit more readable for large channel counts. So you can see it tries to resize the text so that if you expand it out, it grows or shrinks. Sometimes there's just too much to show, and it will make it you won't be able to see everything. But generally, if you don't put too many channels in a plot, it's going to be able to show it. So that's the text display. It's real simple display plot, and just shows the current value of a parameter or statistic.